Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we're going to harvest some squash. I've got my basket, so let's go. Here I had some zucchini, dark green zucchini, and I only got one fruit before squash borer set in, so I had to yank that entire plant and start again. This is delicata squash. It's not looking the best right now. I do need to come and prune. Squash borers got in right there and possibly right there. So I think this whole plant needs to come out. But we did get one small fruit, so I will take it. Just make sure that I'm not missing any. Nope. Got another tiny one down there, but nothing else to harvest. Let's go down here and see how the pineapple squash are doing. The other day it looked like I had a couple that were about ready. Yep, they look good. So there they are under there. I'm gonna get in there and harvest those. Let's go around the other side. It might be easier. Okay, good. Got one and two. Those are nice. Nice size. And these are delicious, sauteed. Sometimes I saute them with onions and bacon, and they are so good. So our butternut squash over here that is ready. It's small, but I like them like that. A little hard to harvest with one hand. Let's see if I can set you guys up somewhere. That's a cute little baby. And that's my little squash harvest for the day. Thanks for tuning in. Everybody have a beautiful day.